Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and today I am going to share with you another Shabby Chic furniture makeover project. So you've probably noticed that I'm doing a ton of makeover projects, and that is because I am getting ready for a pink Christmas vintage photo shoot in May. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made over this little ice cream parlor chair that I found at a tag sale years ago. Actually, I've had my eye on this chair to paint it and recover the seat for quite some time, and this just gives me an excuse to go for it. So you guys are going to notice that I recovered the chair seat in kind of a little bit of an unorthodox way. I actually took my hot glue gun and glued fabric onto the bottom of it to recover the seat. Normally I would not do that. Normally I would take the time to pull out all the staples and recover the seat. I probably really drove my husband crazy with this project because he is really great at recovering seats. But I am pressed for time right now, so I just whipped out my hot glue gun and I added this fabric, painted the chair, and I'll be ready to display it for my pink Christmas photo shoot actually today. So without further ado, let's check out this cute little chair. So when I first start a project, I like to dig into my stash and kind of figure out what I already have. So for this project, I already had a can of Rust-oleum 2X Ocean Mist spray paint, and I love the Rust-oleum 2X paint. It's a paint and primer in one, and it is probably by far my favorite spray paint. So to begin this project, I'm just going to take off both of the seat cushions, and then I'm going to give my chair a good cleaning. I am absolutely loving my new Grove Collaborative cleaning spray bottle. It's a really nice glass bottle, and I just mix up an all-natural mixture of my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning soap and vinegar and some water, and then I go to town cleaning off all the gunk and dirt. And I also got this super cute pink apron from Grove Collaborative. Obviously my favorite color is pale pink, so I am just loving it. I also love the length of this apron. It really covers all of my clothing pretty much, so it's great for these painting projects. And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to use this apron probably to be cleaning and cooking, but you know me, I love to be a crafty girl, so it's definitely going to be my new crafting apron.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and recover the seat cushion. I have had this really cute pajama top for years, but I absolutely never wear it. So I've been saving it for a little project like this, and it ended up working perfectly. So comment and let me know, do you guys have any kind of wacky ways that you go about recovering furniture? Because this is definitely not usually how I do it, but it just worked for this quick little project. So I'm just going to go along all the edges and I'm going to add hot glue, make sure that they're down very secure, check the project while I'm recovering the cushion, and just make sure it's all lining up well.
You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So here is the final project. I am so happy with how this came out. I think it's going to be so adorable for this pink Christmas photo shoot. And off to the left, you guys can see kind of a little bit of a sneak peek of some of the colors I'm going to be using in this photo shoot. I'm super excited about it.
I've been praying through the evening.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching me make over this little ice cream parlor chair. I'm going to be doing more Shabby Chic makeover projects and cleaning videos and crafting videos. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I would love for you to be part of my family. And I just want to tell y'all how blessed and thankful I am that you're here. I really appreciate all of the love and support you guys have given me. And we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.